In this video, you will learn how to edit PDF file in Canva. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. To edit your PDF file, you first need to import the file into Canva. Go to Canva homepage and log into your account. You will find the upload button below the search bar. Click on it, then select Upload Files. Next, browse your computer to choose the PDF file you want to upload. Once uploaded, your file will be saved as a project under Recent Designs. If you can't find it later, click on Projects from the left-hand menu to access your file. Your PDF will open in the Canva workspace. Once you import your file, you can start editing it just like any other Canva design. For example, if you want to edit the text, Canva displays it inside text boxes. You can easily add, delete, or move the text around your page to create different layouts. You can also customize the font, its size, color, and spacing using the toolbar at the top of the workspace. In addition to text, you can edit images and other elements within your PDF. Each one appears as an individual design element, making it easy to delete or replace them. To add new elements, click the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for what you need using the Search Elements bar. Then drag your chosen element onto the PDF and resize it as needed. If you want to include more content, click the Add Page button above your document. Similarly, you can delete, duplicate, lock, hide, or reorder any page of your PDF using the Page Controls button. Once you are done editing, export the file as a PDF. Go to Share, Download, and select PDF Standard if you are using it for web or email, or choose PDF Print if you plan to print the document later. So I hope you have learned how to edit PDF file in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon. If you have any question or want to learn more about Canva or other design tools, drop your thoughts in the comments below and I would love to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.